In photography, the golden hour is a period shortly after sunrise or before sunset during which daylight is redder and softer compared to when the sun is higher in the sky. Overview. When the sun is near the horizon, sunlight travels through a greater depth of atmosphere, reducing the intensity of the direct light, so that more of the illumination comes from indirect light from the sky, reducing the lighting ratio. More blue light is scattered, so if the sun is present, its light appears more reddish. In addition, the sun's small angle with the horizon produces longer shadows. The time hour is used figuratively. The effect has no clearly defined duration and varies according to season and latitude. The character of the lighting is determined by the sun's altitude, and the time for the sun to move from the horizon to a specified altitude depends on a location's latitude and the time of year. In Los Angeles, California, at an hour after sunrise or an hour before sunset, the sun has an altitude of about 10 degrees (12 degree). For a location closer to the equator, the same altitude is reached in less than an hour, and for a location further from the equator, the altitude is reached in more than 1 hour. For a location sufficiently far from the equator, the sun may not reach an altitude of 10 degrees, and the golden hour lasts for the entire day in certain seasons. In the middle of the day, the bright overhead sun can create strong highlights and dark shadows. The degree to which overexposure can occur varies because different types of film and digital cameras have different dynamic ranges. This harsh lighting problem is particularly important in portrait photography, where a fill flash is often necessary to balance lighting across the subject's face or body, filling in strong shadows that are usually considered undesirable. Because the contrast is less during the golden hour, shadows are less dark, and highlights are less likely to be overexposed. In landscape photography, the warm color of the low sun is often considered desirable to enhance the colors of the scene. Use in films. Film director Terrence Malick has used this technique in films such as Days of Heaven, The New World, and The Tree of Life. The Robert Redford-directed film The Milagro Beanfield War made extensive use of the golden hour in its location filming. See also, Blue Hour, Alpenglow, Belt of Venus. References, Notes. Bibliography, Birmingham, Allen 2003. Location lighting for television. Boston, Focal Press. ISBN 978-0-240-51937-1, Lynch, David K., and William Livingston 1995. Color and Light in Nature. Cambridge, Cambridge University Press. ISBN 0-521-46836-1, Lynch Johnt, Barbara A., and Michelle Perkins 2008. Illustrated Dictionary of Photography, The Professional's Guide to Terms and Techniques. Buffalo, New York, Amherst Media, Incorporated. ISBN 1-58428-222-3, Singleton, Ralph S., and James A. Conrad. 2000. Filmmakers Dictionary 2nd ed. Ed. Jana Wong Healy. Hollywood, California, Lone Eagle Publishing Company. ISBN 1-58065-022-8, Thomas, Woodleaf, ed. 1973. SPSE Handbook of Photographic Science and Engineering. New York, John Wiley & Sons. ISBN 0-471-81880-1. External links, Golden Hour Calculator, Twilight Calculator, a Blue Hour /Golden Hour Table, Golden Hour Calculator for Android.